Hey everyone, Chris here. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing great. We've had quite a few people lately asking about liability, what it is, and just questions trying to understand it a bit more. So, with that in mind, what I'm going to do is share with you today one of the older Profit School tutorials that explains everything you need to know about liability. I think it goes into as much detail as you need. When I watched this back, I thought it's a little bit slower than I would have liked. So you might like the pace of it, but if you do find the pace a bit frustrating and just want me to get on with things, then make sure you use the little speed setting in YouTube. It's just down in the corner of the video on that little cog screen, and you'll be able to speed the video up and watch it at a pace that suits you. So I hope you enjoy the tutorial, and let me know if you have any more questions about liability. Thanks for watching. So what is liability and what does it mean for us? There are two answers to this, the short one and the longer one. The short answer is that the amount listed here under liability is the amount that you will require in your exchange account in order to place your lay bet. So in this example, if you want to be able to place the lay bet of £11.49, then you'll need £9.08 in your exchange account. The longer answer is that the liability amount is required because by placing a lay bet, you are effectively taking the role of the bookmaker. That's important because a bookmaker makes bets in a slightly different way. When a bookmaker offers odds on an event, they effectively are saying that they will take your stake and pay you back a given amount in excess of your stake if your bet proves to be correct. Let's take an example with numbers. Say the odds of a horse called Whirlwind winning a race are 2.0. If we bet £10 on Whirlwind winning and she does, we receive £20 back. Hence, our profit would be £10 as it cost us £10 to make the bet. But if we're wrong and Whirlwind doesn't win, the bookmaker keeps our £10. Therefore, the bookmaker has risked losing £10 in order to potentially win your £10. This £10 risk that the bookmaker takes is what we call liability. If you were to place a lay bet without placing a back bet first, then the liability is the amount that you would risk losing if your lay bet didn't prove to be the correct one. In our example, we want to accept a bet of £11.49. Therefore, we need to risk losing a value of £9.08. Of course, with Profit School and matching, we are not actually risking anything because we are also making a back bet with the bookmaker. The back and lay bet will cancel each other out and you'll be left with the result as predicted by the odds calculator. All you really need to remember is that liability is what you need in your exchange account in order to place your lay bet and create a match. If you're still unsure about the finer details, watch this explanation a couple more times or take a look at the forum thread on this topic. There's a link on the right hand side of the screen that will take you straight there.